There's so many of us today who feel that our past is responsible for our present. So many people who may actually feel, I wish I had got this in my childhood. I wish I was understood in my childhood. I wish I was supported. I wish I was loved that much. Yes, it's true that our past does affect the way we think today, what we do today. But let us not get disheartened, because you see, the most wonderful thing about energy and vibration is that if today you start to improve your relationship with yourself first by investing time in yourself, sitting in silence, trying to connect with your own needs and goals, focusing on them in a positive manner, trying to put your best foot forward everywhere. By doing this, you start operating from a more mindful state and consciousness. Mindful state and consciousness means you are less influenced by the past. You will get less of those thoughts that will drain your energy, pull you down. See, most of us are caught in this vicious circle of the past because we are talking a lot about the past. We are discussing it. We are constantly reminding ourselves about those things through words. If there is something that did not go out well for us, if there's something that did not work out in a manner that it should have, doesn't matter. Today, I must give myself that love, that care, and that attention. How? Firstly, by sitting in silence and by speaking some good positive words. Words are energy. When you speak certain words, immediately your subconscious picks up those words and along with your brain tries to create a picture for those words. The mind thinks in terms of pictures and images. That is why we give so much importance to keeping good pictures around us. We want that good energy comes to us because these pictures turn into our thoughts. Same manner, words become our thoughts. So if I start using good energy, encouraging words, I will automatically ensure that whatever I was lacking even in my childhood or in my past, I am able to overcome today. I am able to focus more on what I want now rather than what I did not get. So this has to be practiced on a daily basis. How will I do that? The moment thoughts of the past come, I can first of all try to adopt a simple mindfulness ritual, which is breathe in and breathe out with a smile on my face. Secondly, I can remind myself this thought that they did this to me, this thought of anger for someone, this thought of disappointment, this is not what I want. This is not what I need. What do I want? What do I need? And most of us, I'm sure, including you, will answer, I need peace, I need love, I need success in everything I do. Great! Because now when you learn how to shift the thought and the feeling through your words, automatically like energy attracts like energy. So the subconscious mind is now going to get busy with creating new pictures for peace, for love, for happiness, for contentment. So I have to practice learning how to shift my thoughts. Negative thoughts will come, especially thoughts relating to the past may come, but I have to learn how to accept them. I don't want to even run away from the thoughts. Never ever try to ignore thoughts and feelings that are coming up inside you. Suppression can lead to a lot of problems like depression. We don't want to suppress our thoughts and feelings. Instead, accept them. Think of yourself like a parent who's listening to a child. The child has something to share. As a parent, what will you do? Patiently listen to the child. Same manner, when you're sitting with yourself, try to acknowledge whatever feelings you are getting. And one by one, Remind yourself, I don't need this feeling. Because you will know if it's a negative feeling, you don't want to keep it. So constantly have that self-talk. Oh, anger, I don't need this. What do I need instead of this? Peace. So let me focus on peace. Then you can even use the words I am peace, because we understand that whatever words I connect myself with, I will make active in my vibration. So the moment I say I am peace, automatically the cells in my body react to this new flow of energy and chemicals. And like energy attracts like energy, I will now start getting in the next few moments more thoughts of peace, more thoughts of love, more thoughts of happiness. Because thoughts work in a chain. You see, one thought brings several other thoughts. So you, my dear friends, have to make an effort first to clearly give a direction to your mind that no, anger is not what I want to encourage. That's not what I want. Resentment for something or someone, I don't want to encourage. Bitterness, I don't want to encourage. You see, you have to constantly give yourself this reminder. As you do, you will start getting better and better in this practice of shifting your thought and shifting your feeling. And this way, you are not even ignoring your thoughts. So, no matter what our past has been like, never keep in mind that because this has happened, I have this belief, and that is why I'm getting these experiences. No, whatever your negative beliefs are, let's say you have a belief, I am not good enough, I am not worthy, I cannot do it. Immediately acknowledge this thought and feeling and remind yourself, I don't need this thought. Is this adding value to me? No, it's not helping me in any way. In fact, it's dominating my energy, affecting my mood, pulling me down. No, like energy attracts like energy. What I focus on grows stronger. Let me focus on good things. Let me focus on building my confidence, my willpower, my mind power. So immediately convert negative statements into positive ones. If I have a thought and feeling, I'm not good enough, I can replace it with this statement, I deserve all good things. As I am a loving child of God, I deserve all things good. If I have a feeling that everyone hates me, nobody likes me, I can convert it into everyone around me is loving me and supporting me. Now, even if at that point in time you feel that's not true, nobody is loving me, nobody understands me, nobody supports me. Remember, we said the world is created inside outside, because you have been carrying in your energy certain feelings, certain beliefs. Today the world seems to appear in a certain way. So when I start using better words, replace negative beliefs with positive ones, automatically you see I am letting my subconscious mind know this is what I want to experience. Not that I am not loved. I want to experience I am loved and supported by everyone.
If you enjoyed this video, do share it with others. Subscribe to this channel. Click the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. This is Dr. Karishma Ahuja wishing you all the very best. Namaste. God bless.